Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab in easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text sheet by rating, size the letter, font of letter, change the color of letter, select the 3D text, change the color, to back the letter, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker, select the image, please like the video and subscribe the channel.